July 2021 years. Lempääläntie will be Lempääläntie in Swedish. 45. It's a residential building here in Valkeakoski, Finland, with 9 floors. And it's a rare one, ValmetSchlieren, with 8 persons capacity in a residential building. That is very rare to build such a big one. Yeah, well, they probably have quite a lot of apartments in the building, so they need a bigger one. This is built actually in late 1965, finished 1966. The serial number is VS770. It's going to be inspected in 2023. Turned 55 years old between 2020 and 21. It's wrong, it's 6 persons, or it's 8 persons. It doesn't have memory.
It has, yeah.
That's quite advanced.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Antis asuntoskeittiö Valkeakosken pistettä 3.
Yeah.
We have to wait at the basement, but we can build flooring gate. Or
Yeah.
strange.
We don't open the door.
Yeah.
You can press. That was weird.
Inspected parking arrangement maintained by Schiller.
I think they were like speaking at the door.
Yeah.
It was weird.
Yeah.
But they didn't go out.
Yeah.
But some of them, if they go, I don't know, to the kitchen or toilet, then they speak at the door.
Yeah. I think this is the rarest elevator in Valkeakoski.
Yeah, most amazing so far.
Yeah.
Oldest so far.
Yeah.
Thank
That's-
you very much for watching. That's it.